What if I told you that a single leaf could potentially transform your digestive health, control your blood sugar, and even fight cancer cells? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what supporters of Moringa leaves are claiming, and the scientific community is starting to pay attention. But here's where it gets controversial. While Moringa enthusiasts are calling it nature's ultimate superfood, skeptics argue we're witnessing another overhyped wellness trend. So what's the real story behind these green leaves that have captured the attention of health experts worldwide? The truth about Moringa's health claims. Dr. Paul Manicum, a respected gastroenterologist and gut health specialist, recently shared his perspective on Moringa's potential benefits through social media. His insights reveal some fascinating possibilities that might change how we think about digestive wellness. Your digestive system's new best friend. Struggling with that uncomfortable burning sensation after every meal? Dealing with persistent digestive discomfort that seems to never go away? Moringa leaves might offer the relief you've been searching for. These remarkable leaves work as natural digestive supporters, helping your stomach process food more efficiently, while simultaneously working to neutralize excess stomach acid once your meal moves into the intestinal tract. For individuals battling GERD or chronic acid reflux, this dual action could provide much-needed comfort and stability. Healing your gut from within. Here's something most people don't realize. Chronic stress and repeated infections can seriously damage your intestinal lining, leading to ongoing inflammation that affects your entire digestive system. Moringa leaves contain powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that may help rebuild and protect this crucial barrier. Think of it as giving your gut the tools it needs to repair itself naturally, potentially reducing the chronic inflammation that keeps so many people feeling unwell. Boosting your body's digestive power. The secret lies in Moringa's unique phytochemicals, particularly compounds called glucosinolates. These natural substances work behind the scenes to enhance your body's production of digestive secretions, essentially supercharging your digestive system's ability to break down and absorb nutrients from your food. It's like upgrading your digestive engine to run more smoothly and efficiently. These natural compounds appear to work on multiple fronts, stabilizing glucose levels in the bloodstream, enhancing insulin sensitivity and function, and potentially protecting vital organs from diabetes-related damage. This multi-pronged approach could significantly reduce the risk of serious complications while potentially slowing disease progression. Saying farewell to digestive distress. The gastrointestinal benefits extend far beyond simple digestion improvement. Recent research suggests that Moringa leaves may offer protective effects against colon cancer, though more studies are needed to confirm this exciting possibility. Additionally, these leaves provide gentle laxative properties that can naturally address constipation without harsh side effects. Their ability to regulate stomach acid production shows promise for preventing painful peptic ulcers, while their anti-inflammatory action may help protect against serious conditions like ulcerative colitis. The cancer connection that's got scientists talking. Here's where things get really interesting and potentially controversial. Moringa contains a unique compound called miezomycin, which preliminary research suggests might actually inhibit cancer cell growth and prevent metastasis. Even more intriguing, scientific investigations indicate that not only the leaves, but also the bark and other plant parts may possess cytotoxic properties, meaning they could directly target and destroy malignant cells. But here's the million-dollar question. Are we getting ahead of ourselves with these cancer-fighting claims? While the initial research is promising, we're still in the early stages of understanding Moringa's true potential in cancer prevention and treatment. making Moringa work for your lifestyle. The versatility of Moringa leaves makes them incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Fresh leaves add a nutrient boost when tossed into salads or mixed into cooked dishes like stir-fries and curries. For a soothing beverage, try steeping the leaves in hot water to create a nourishing herbal tea. When processed into powder form, Moringa becomes even more convenient. Blend it into morning smoothies, stir it into yogurt, sprinkle it over oatmeal, or mix it into your favorite beverages for an instant nutritional upgrade. For those who prefer maximum convenience, Moringa supplements in capsule form offer a concentrated dose without any preparation required. The big question everyone's asking. So here's what I want to know. Are we witnessing the emergence of a legitimate superfood that could revolutionize digestive and metabolic health? Or are we falling for another wellness trend that promises more than it can deliver? The preliminary research is certainly encouraging. But are we putting too much faith in early studies? What's your take on this Moringa phenomenon? Have you tried incorporating these leaves into your health routine? And if so, what results have you noticed? Or do you think we should pump the brakes on the miracle claims until we have more definitive research? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, whether you're a believer, a skeptic, or somewhere in between.